This is the process of decay and aging. This is how decay and aging is happening. Now it is power. This was the information that the Council of Nine downloaded. The counters of two cellular membranes can combine in the quantum field only if the signature of their resonance are very precise in frequency. And when that happens, you have this electric charge that actually combining everything together. They said is like a chain reaction that will restart the DNA codon. The similar resonance must be so precise that they will sound and look the same. We're talking about the nucleus. The DNA then signals all is vertical and give the code to the entire new signals to become like a new position. This is happening from the inside the body. However, if the outside environment of the human body is disturbed by its sound frequency or chemical compounds that are not matching the original DNA given from God consciousness, then the human DNA revokes the signal and all of the chain of the cellular molecular structure shuts down itself and all its receivers to protect its own nucleus of the cell. If synthetic chemicals break down the nucleus signal of two similar on vibration cells, the cells will combine with the new chemical signal and then change the direction that mimics the new chemical signal. Basically, it's going to mutate with the synthetic structure. This is mutation on a cellular level that is not given from God consciousness itself. It is literally a different signal. You may wish to detox, but if you take a negative compounds frequency into your body, the elasticity of the human cell connectors will become weak and cannot push out the chemical compounds that you already been intaking from whatever reason from the environment. And eventually your body cannot function through the miraculous structure. And this is how the molecule structure becomes heavy with fat packets within the cells. The cells then cannot breathe, and eventually the entire codon of the DNA will change the energetic signals to a new composition. Because of that, the cells in the nucleus is now not connected properly, and the entire codon now is off signal to self-repair and self-regeneration. This is the process of decay and aging. This is how decay and aging is happening. To stop this process for complete self-regeneration, the toxicity in every level of the body must be minimized and eventually completely stopped. But how can you do that when it's so difficult, considering how poisonous your environment is? And they said this is possible through a parallel multiverse expressions of God consciousness power grid. So there is a God consciousness power grid, they were saying, like the ether grid, the omnipotent, omnipresent. Do you know they said about God's power grid? How do you think your body stays warm? There is omnipotent, infinite amount of energy in the entire matrix of God power grid. It is the interaction in the combination of each sound to create and reprint itself, and that is like a mini atomic combustion.